What's up, guys? Today we're going to do my first 3 a.m. challenge. See, it is nighttime outside. See, it is like pitch black out there. You see the cars and stuff. Today, oh, that was my watch. I just hit 3. But guys, today we're not going to the mirror world. But eventually we're going to do that. Right now, you know, my watch me with Nae Nae video. I've been doing, I've been getting some, I have 4 likes on that video. But this time, we're doing it at 3 a.m. And to see what will happen, because you know what it is. Those who don't, then I might type it in the link description below. But let's do this. So I'm gonna turn the camera on. So see, it's on. This is the thing. I actually have it on my iPad, and it's on my mother's playlist because my iPad has the same playlist as she, but she's actually on her phone right now. So I'm gonna do this on my camera. Let me find it somewhere. It's like right. Okay, guys. I actually know the right dance moves now. Let me put this right here so you can hear it. Oh, guys, what happened? Guys, what happened? I just remember like dancing to the song and then like everything's blank. What happened? What the heck just happened? Like, I don't remember anything. Like, everything just went blank for like, guys, that was weird. Yeah, guys, that was weird. What was that? Like, I just saw, I can't even explain it, guys, but I don't know. And since, guys, I don't think you should really try this. Guys, that was weird. Guys, and since this video isn't long, I'm also going to be doing, I don't want to do any, I'm actually going to do, yeah, I still have like, like a whole bunch of minutes for the stopwatch. 3 minutes and something. Okay, guys, that was super weird. This time, I'm going to see what happens if we play with the Mario Kart. Remember, I did this before, but to show a review. But this time, we're doing it at, you know what time it is. So, okay, guys, here's the controller. I wonder what's going to happen now. It's like something weird is going to happen. So what you're going to need to do, like I said, those who haven't seen that review video, I'm going to show you again. That was weird. Okay. What was that? I thought I just heard something, guys. I'm going to go check. my name earlier, Mommy? Okay, I thought I heard something. God. Okay, guys, I thought I heard something like it was between them two bathrooms. It was between the two bathrooms, like the videos I do the mirror world in. Like, I swear I thought I heard something. It was weird. Like, guys, that was odd. Kind of odd. Yeah, guys. I don't know what we're gonna do for the next part of today's video. I don't know what we're gonna do for the next part of this video. But I do know we're gonna do something. But it just depends on what really happens. I am not 100%. That's gonna be the end of this video. I know it's a 6-minute long video. I know it's not really that long, but what was that? You hear that? Mama. I thought I just heard something. Okay, like I heard like a bark. Was these little dogs or something? Yeah. Yeah. I don't know what's. Oh, hold on. Just a second. That's the end of this video.